baby, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my glider instructor Roald, and today we're going to be doing something very exciting.
We're going to do aerobatics.
Woo! So I've actually done a bit of positive G with motorized and gliding aircraft, but I think with gliders it's fantastic that it's all possible and learning from the best. So you're going to show me some cool things.
Yes, so next to positive G we're also going to do some negative G or inverted. Starting from loopings and then negative, inverted flight, and then rolling back to normal. And as well some complete rolls. We could do barrel roll, but we're going to do a 4-point roll in the sense that we're going to do it in line. So I'll do a short introduction in some figures, and thereafter I'm going to let you do a looping with a negative part in it. So we'll see what happens. That's gonna be my first time flying inverted, so we'll have to see how that goes. But I'm really excited. Very good. Let's get started. All right, let's get in. So the belt straps, those are the most important. They hold you in place for 99%. The shoulder belts, they're there for convenience. It's good to have. One thing we're missing is the fifth. You could have one in between as well. That would make it even better. However, this glider does not have it and it's certified without. I would like to have is your feet on the pedals. Okay. So pull them, just towards me. Exactly. Just as normal that you would be able to fly them yourselves, because then I know where your feet will be. Yeah. All right. Very important. I don't have a sick bag. Yeah, you want one? Maybe. We'll get one. It would be very embarrassing if I do have to throw up and it's all over the canopy, so yeah. Thank you. So I see the G meter that we have on our LX right now. Yeah. Max G that we'll be pulling. It will be during the loopings probably around 4 during the initial climb. Maybe during the stall turns, the initial climb, but the rest will be, the positive will be short duration. The negative will be, if it's done properly, between -1 and -2. Yeah. If we are in an inverted dive and we need to push back up, then it will get more. Then it's also sustained, so it's longer than just a split second, so you'll feel it. During normal inverted flight it will be -1, of course. Yeah. As that is sustained, you'll notice. Riemen zitten vast voor en achter ook. Instrumenten staan allemaal op 0. Voor neutraal. Okay, alright, and then we'll do the first checks. Accelerometer still on. Belts still fastened, so just pull the straps a little bit. Brakes are in the lock and ballast is still okay. Canopy closed, left side and right side for the emergency. Checked. Trim set a little bit forward and radio will do before we start.
Alright, and after we have released, we'll do the second check. You're ready?
I'm ready!
Good, then we'll start with the normal looping. First we'll accelerate to about 180 kilometers per hour. Turn horizontal and we'll start pulling. Going vertical. Inverted. And coming back up. Right, we'll finish with looping and then roll. A little bit inverted. And a roll. Okay. Turn to the right. Completely silent. This is called a hammerhead turn. First key down, followed by a complete roll. Nose spot off the horizon, and we'll start rolling. Still fun? And continuing the roll.
Hanging in this seatbelt is so crazy! Oh, the dirt!
Oh, the dust coming down.
Oh my goodness! Okay!
Some time to get yourself acquainted again. Was it what you expected?
No! It was way cooler. I thought this was not going to be intense at all. I thought it was going to be fine. But I couldn't contain my excitement.
Very good. You want to do a looping with a part vertical flight?
Yeah.
Alright, then I'll turn around and we'll do the first looping and then some flight towards the plaza.
Yeah.
600 meters. Okay. Pak hem maar.
Yeah.
Alright. Push forward to 180 kilometers per hour. Slightly more, 200. Yeah. Horizontal. Wait. And pull. Pull, 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 pull. Further, further, further. And push. Nose under the horizon. This is too soon. Now you feel it stalling.
Yeah.
A little bit downwards. Yeah. And pushing again. Pushing. Yeah. Try to keep the speed to 130 kilometers per hour. Pushing. We're flying 150. Yep, keeping it the wings horizon level as well.
Okay, that's not happening.
You want to roll it out?
Yeah.
Alright. Slightly some speed. And left rudder and lift stick.
Okay. I was completely disoriented.
I can get that. It's raining. It is. You want to turn right to the airport?
Yeah. I completely, I saw the horizon turning and I thought, I don't know how to get out of it.
No, true. Shall I do some more tricks?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Controls.
400 meters, we can do one stall turn to the left.
Yeah.
Let's see whether there are traffic inside. I don't see any traffic.
No traffic.
All right. Over left. Completely silent.
Oh, I see all the sheep.
Uh-huh. And another one to the right.
This is so sick.
And now we get to get back to the airport.
Wow, that was really intense. That is so cool.
It is, isn't it? You want to land the plane or shall I?
I want to land it.
Alright.
Yep, flight control.
No control.
Okay, traffic in front of us. We're at 211 meters.
Junior, slightly lower.
Turn in and see where he lands, and then we'll give him space.
grounds.
That was so cool. Thank you so much.
No problem.
I definitely want to learn more and learn how to do all of this by myself at some point.
Good.
Definitely with an instructor for the next few
Few
times.
How much G did we do?
Sorry?
How much G did we
Oh,
do?
I wasn't paying
Oh,
attention.
you can see now.
Oh, 4.7 max.
Yeah, and minus 1.5.
Minus
So-
1.5.
So that's quite
Super cool.
very nice.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you soon. Bye. This video is brought to you by AeroAvion, a new way to buy, sell, and trade aircraft. They have a new iOS app where you can view new listings, post your own, and chat with other buyers and sellers. They have a variety of listings like an experimental P-51 and even the M26 Airwolf. Check out the new listing site at aeroavion.com. Post a free advanced listing with the coupon code BAMBI and sell or buy your dream aircraft within a few days.